This is the emergency bug out bag. It's a really nice bag. You got your American flag, you got your Velcro that you could stick things on. You got extra pockets that you can put a lot of stuff in this thing, and it expands a decent amount. I do like that this backpack will open up completely. Now this is everything that's included in this bag. So in here we do have a emergency reusable poncho. We have an emergency tent, which is made to hold in heat. You do get a water straw, so you can filter your water. And you got like a plastic canteen. Inside this bag, you're gonna get a pair of heavy duty gloves. You do get a small first aid kit with a few different things you might need, gauze and tape and things like that. I would definitely recommend adding to your first aid kit with this bag. It does come with a saw. And then in here, so you got a lot of other things in here as well. You got another emergency blanket. You got, looks like we got a little flashlight. You do have a rod to start fires. There is a pocket knife in here among some other tools, a compass and things. So this is a nice little bug out kit. I would definitely add to it, get your MREs, get some different meals in here, get some extra first aid, because that's not really much. But this is a great starter kit, and the backpack's great. It's really nice and heavy duty. I really like it.